Hi loves, it is Anaya. Welcome to my channel. Today we are creating the very much viral Ice Princess makeup look for the holiday season. Let's get into it. I just had to apply some gloss because the wintertime really does a number on my skin and my lips, like super dry. It's terrible. So I'm just using my favorite Juicy Tube. Real cute. Alright, so for today's look, I went ahead and did my brows because I feel like it takes so long. Actually, I have an amazing update. I'm actually getting my brows microbladed for my birthday in February. And I'm excited to not have to do my brows for a hot minute, or just have like that perfect shape even if I'm filling them in and want a darker look. So excited about that. And those are done, and I'm actually using a new palette. This is the Morphe Artistry palette. These are the colors in the Get Rich in Bold palette by Morphe. Guys, it's giving princess. Look at that. I felt like this was the perfect palette to do like a winter ice makeup look and have some fun, because I usually stick to a very soft makeup look. Yeah, let's dive into that, starting with the eyes. Base will be last. I'm going to go in with MAC Laying Low. I've had this forever, but it's just like a good base to start off with. For eyeshadow, I'm going to start with Paparazzi. It's like that taupe color, and it may not show up as good, but this is a good like base color and transition color. So I usually go in with like one of the more settled neutral colors before I do any darker colors on the outside, because it just tends to kind of sit on top of that neutralizing color. It sits on top of that neutralizing color for a great base. And then it doesn't typically, for my work, it doesn't come off like harsh, or it doesn't come off too harsh on the skin. I'm just gonna take a lighter shade concealer for my cut crease. And don't be afraid to go above the cut crease. That's just like a guide for the eyeshadow, where to place it. And now that the glitter is on, basically mixed all three of the glitters together. I started with Moneymaker, then I topped it with Gems with Benefits and Champagne Excess. Now that the glitter is on, I'm going to go ahead and focus on just adding some more depths in the corner of my eyes so that when I apply like my wing and my lashes, it snatches. Okay, going in with Crowd Control. Going to just apply that to the outer corners of my eye, create some density there with the darker shadow. And I also have a Jet Worth. Now that is black. I do want to try that, but not for today's look. I feel like Crowd Control is enough. With eyeshadows, I feel like picking up a little bit of product at a time is the best way to blend your eyeshadows out perfectly, so that you do not have too much eyeshadow and mess up your entire look. So always very light dust into the pan, apply it to your eyes, and then you can layer it as you go so that you can create more of a soft look. Now, if you want more of a glam look, of course you want to use different type of brushes, such as more dense brushes to pack in color, compared to some of the lighter brushes for eyeshadow. Just a tip. Going in with Ella lashes from my brand. Please shop the Modest Guru lashes in the description box below. You will not regret it. My lashes last up to 25 wears. Wash them, full Mika lashes, so you're definitely going to get your money's worth. I'm just showing you the quality of the lash. These are super lightweight, reusable mink lashes. And the band is very thin, very flexible. I'm going to use Makeup by Mario foundation, Surreal Skin Foundation. I am in the shade 17N. I can't get enough of this foundation. Like, it's very much a medium to full coverage. So it's buildable. I love how hydrating it makes my skin feel. And the lightweight component as well. These lashes are perfect. Don't forget to grab your pair in the description box below. These are so natural, so beautiful, stunning for every single occasion. And with the e.l.f. bronzer in the shade medium. Just for more of a lighter contour. Set with one size. You know when it's cold, you have to lock in your makeup. Seriously. So just press that in for the best coverage. Going in with Patrick Ta right on the cheekbones. I love these ColourPop lippy sticks. So good, so good. Yeah. All right, we have finished the look. This is giving icy princess girl meets glam doll. Like, do you see the material? I am obsessed. This was one of the best, most affordable palettes I've ever tried. I love Morphe palettes, so I hope they continue rolling out like the good ones, the good stuff. This eyeshadow palette, I believe it was on sale at Ulta Beauty for like $9, but always sign up for your Ulta Beauty account and save some dollars when you're purchasing makeup, perfume, any beauty products for yourself. And also you can still shop my lovely lashes. These are my Ella lashes. And they are very natural, lightweight. You will be obsessed with them, and you can wash them and wear them up to 25 times. But yeah, make sure that you click the links in my description box below to purchase. And everything came together today. I hope everyone have a wonderful and most beautiful happy holidays.